Good morning. Let's dive into the key market movements from October 16th. If you're looking for daily market recaps, make sure to subscribe and stay updated with concise, actionable insights. First, let's look at the semiconductor sector. Yesterday, ASML, the Dutch semiconductor equipment giant, dropped by a significant 7%. This was driven by investor concerns following its earnings call, where the CEO highlighted that a full recovery in the chip market may take longer than expected, especially with weak demand in smartphones and PCs. Meanwhile, NVIDIA bounced back, rising by 3%, as AI-related demand continues to fuel optimism around its stock. Micron also had a good day, gaining 4.7%. However, other equipment suppliers like Applied Materials, Lam Research, and KLA faced declines. Now, let's shift to the broader U.S. stock market. All major indexes ended the day higher. The Dow Jones rose by 0.78%, the S&P 500 by 0.47%, and the Nasdaq Composite gained 0.28%. The standout performer was the Russell 2000, which tracks small and mid-cap stocks. It surged by 1.6%, closing above its recent highs. This breakout is significant, as it marks a shift from a prolonged trading range that has persisted since 2022. Small-cap stocks are starting to gain more investor attention, signaling growing confidence in broader market strength beyond large-cap tech names. Speaking of tech stocks, many of the big names struggled. Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Google, and Meta all posted losses. The sell-off in these stocks reflects ongoing concerns about high valuations and the future growth of the sector. However, there was one tech winner, Cisco Systems. After receiving an analyst upgrade, Cisco's stock popped by 4%, driven by optimism surrounding its networking hardware business. In the financial sector, Morgan Stanley delivered a standout performance, rising by 6.5%. This came after the bank reported strong earnings, with better-than-expected results, driven by strong wealth management income. U.S. Bank also posted gains, as interest income beat estimates. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest winners of the day, United Airlines, which soared by 12.4%. United reported better-than-expected earnings per share and revenue, which impressed investors. They also announced a $1.5 billion stock buyback plan, signaling confidence in their future performance. Not to be outdone, Delta Airlines also rose by 6.7%, riding the positive momentum in the airline industry. Looking forward, there's significant anticipation for Taiwan Semiconductor's earnings report, which will be released tomorrow. As a critical player in the global chip supply chain, all eyes are on how AI-related demand will influence its performance. Their capital expenditure guidance is expected to hit the high end of $32 billion, reinforcing their strong position in the industry. Lastly, let's touch on a growing sector, next-generation nuclear energy. This space is gaining a lot of attention as companies like X-Energy are developing small modular reactors, SMRs, which are more cost-effective and quicker to build than traditional nuclear plants. In a major move, Amazon and billionaire Ken Griffin announced a $500 million investment in X-Energy. The future of energy could be heavily influenced by these technologies, making this a space to watch. That's your market recap for today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with tomorrow's update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.